In a world teetering on the edge of climatic upheaval, Jonah Baxter, a renowned climate activist, finds himself constantly drifting into the harbors of his past. Jonah's memoir, Remembrance of a Changing World, serves as both a personal reflection and a wake-up call to the unrelenting transformations caused by human actions on the planet. As Jonah delves into his childhood memories, he vividly recalls the summers spent at his parents' rustic cabin by the lake. Those were the days when the water gleamed beneath the sunlight, dragonflies wove their intricate tapestries in the air, and the forest echoed with life. Now, the landscape has changed beyond recognition. The lake's diminished shoreline a stark testament to time's relentless march and humanity's reckless ambition. Throughout his memoir, Jonah explores the passage of time and its profound impact on memory, how memories often distort reality, sometimes becoming more poignant or even less accurate as decades pass. Jonah understands that many of his memories are colored by the sensibilities of his current self, posing questions about what truly occurred and what was merely idealized. Yet it is these memories that shaped his present identity and fueled his passion for environmental advocacy. Jonah also wrestles with the nature of memory itself. He finds it fascinatingly pliable, at times unreliable, like a film scene through rippling waves, and yet vitally essential in grounding who he is. Memories of his father, a solemn and wise figure who taught Jonah about the interconnectedness of all living things, frequently resurface. His father's lessons were often imparted during long walks through the forest, pointing out the symbiotic relationships between flora and fauna. Those memories are pivotal, even if Jonah questions their complete accuracy. The power of the senses is another theme woven throughout Jonah's life story. The scent of pine needles crushed underfoot, the sound of a babbling brook, or even the bitter taste of a windstorm lingers vividly in Jonah's mind. Each sensory detail capable of transporting him back to a different time and place. These sensory triggers often lead Jonah to unexpected realizations about his motivations and fears. At its core, Jonah's journey is about the search for meaning. Through his activism, Jonah seeks to impart a sense of responsibility and urgency, hoping his recollections serve as a beacon for others to grasp the importance of preserving the natural world. Yet as he digs through the layers of memory, he uncovers a deeper truth. The search for meaning is an ongoing quest, one filled with doubt and discovery, shaped by the fluidity of memory and the ever-changing tides of life. Remembrance of a Changing World is a powerful narrative that reimagines Proust's exploration of time and memory in a modern context, imbuing it with urgency and relevance. Jonah Baxter's reflective journey offers insight into not only the fight against climate change, but also the timeless quest for understanding one's place and purpose on this fragile planet.